You must leave here. This castle is alive.
Who's there?
Do you wish to take your father's place?
Come into the light.
Show me the girl.
Look at her. What if she is the one? The one who'll break the spell?
Hello.
You can talk.
Well, of course he can talk.
Hello, pleased to meet you.
The Master's not as terrible as he appears.